As a landlord, navigating the world of rental property management is a challenging task. One important aspect of managing your properties is understanding the different types of landlord notices to tenants and how to use them effectively. Welcome back, Loopers. I'm your host, Andrew Chung. If you're a landlord, this video is especially for you. We're diving deep into understanding landlord notices to tenants. Are you familiar with the various notices you might need to issue to your tenants? Let's break it down. First up, the notice to pay or quit. If rent's overdue, this is your go-to. It typically gives tenants between 3 to 10 days to either pay up or prepare for eviction proceedings. Remember, always follow local laws and lease agreements when issuing this. Next, the notice to cure or quit. Got a tenant with an unauthorized pet? This notice gives them a time frame to fix that lease violation or face eviction. Again, always follow local laws and guidelines. The unconditional quit notice is strict. It asks the tenant to leave without an opportunity to rectify the issue. Use this for serious violations or illegal activities. Ensure you're compliant with your state laws. As the market changes, rent may need to be adjusted. Enter the notice of rent increase. This informs tenants about a hike in rent with details on the new amount, percentage increase, and when it kicks in. State laws dictate the notice period required for a rent increase, typically between 30 to 60 days before the effective date. Sometimes you need to visit your property. The notice of entry ensures your tenants know when and why you're coming, usually at least 24 hours in advance. Planning some renovations? Inform your tenants with a notice of repairs, renovations, or outages. Keep those communication lines open and transparent. As lease expiration approaches, decide, renew or not. The offer of renewal proposes a new lease term, while notice of non-renewal signals the end. Abandoned items? The notice of disposal of abandoned personal property guides you through the legal ways to manage left-behind belongings. Sold your property or changed managers? The notice of transfer of ownership or management keeps tenants updated. A notice of abandonment reclaims a property left without notice. And lastly, there's the eviction notice, the final step when things just aren't working out. Now remember, notices must adhere to specific formats and delivery methods. Legal requirements differ by state, so always consult local regulations. When it comes to written notice formats, keep in mind that printed, signed, and dated documents are generally considered legal notices. Ensuring that your written notices are properly formatted and documented can help you avoid any potential legal issues down the line. And delivery methods for landlord notices may include personal delivery, certified mail, and posting on the property. Want to make this process smoother? Property management software like DoorLoop can be your ultimate assistant. Schedule your free demo today and discover everything that DoorLoop has to offer. Click on the link in the description below. And here are some frequently asked questions. Number 1. How much notice does a landlord legally have to give? The answer: notice duration varies by state. Question number 2. Can a landlord give notice for no reason? Yes, landlords can sometimes give notice without a reason as long as they follow the required legal steps. Question number 3. What happens if a tenant refuses to move out? If a tenant won't leave, you might be headed to court. Question number 4. What is a reasonable amount of time to wait for a tenant to respond to a landlord notice? The answer: usually 48 hours for non-urgent matters. And question number 5. What if a tenant ignores a landlord notice? The answer: ignored notices lead to legal steps. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with a link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.